In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a logo for your clothing brand in Kittl. Kittl is an all-in-one software, print-on-demand software where you can design and your logos, you create your designs and put them on t-shirts and other merch. So for you to design a logo for your clothing brand, simply come up here to templates, and under templates you can see logos here. Click on that, or you can simply just come here to logos, and then when you click on logos, it's going to bring you to it. Down here you're going to see quite a number of logos. Let's say you wanted to design this logo for your t-shirt or for hoodies or for hats or something of that sort. You can just choose that. I'm going to choose a t-shirt design, and it's going to show me a number of templates. So these are a number of templates which I can use. You can create from scratch, but I'm going to show you how to customize one of these. I'm going to click on this particular one, and you see it brings me to this page. I'll close this pop-up, and so this is the design. I'll close these two, close all of these. So when you see this design, it contains quite a number of items which you can move this up and down. You can move this up and down. But if you want to edit this, you can remove things like this particular one. You can change the colors, the color scheme, maybe to match what is on the logo, something brownish, something of that sort. I hope I have it well. Or if I change this. So you can go ahead and play around with this. You can change this. You can change the font of this. So this is the current font. If you wanted it to be something like this instead, you could do that. If you wanted it to be something like this, you could also do that. And you can change the overall color of this. You could remove this. You could remove this. I don't know. You may want to make it this way, to be an S instead. And then this power should be upon here, and then this should be down here. If this is what you wanted to do, you can go ahead and do this, and after that you can download your design. So if you want to start with Kittl, I've put a link in the description of this video. Go ahead and check it and use Kittl for free. I hope you got value out of this video. If you did, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I put out videos, you'll be the first to be notified. God bless you. Peace.